Today we'll be making earrings. Grab a small fabric piece and 2 pieces of iron on interfacing. Iron these on. For the lettering, grab any color thread and stitch on what you want to write on the fabric. Before you do so, make a marking on the fabric. Stitch a pattern on the sides with a different color of thread. Stitch on some beads at the bottom corner. I also stitched on 3 mini tassels to the bottom of each one. Stitch or glue on one earring post to each earring. And you're done! This is a very easy sewing craft that only takes a minute to make. Follow my channel for more easy and unique ideas like this. This is so beautiful!